greensandmachines.com.
Hello viewers, today is April 18th, 2019, and today I'm going to give you a tour of my container vineyard. Alright, let's take a walk through the vineyard. Over here we've got some reds, we got a Tempranillo. Looks like we got some signs of clusters forming on here. I haven't seen too many from my initial review, but you know, it's not good to count your clusters until the grapes are formed. We got the Syrah, which was the top producer 2 years ago. This one I believe is Aglianico, which produced quite a few last year. Here we have Zinfandel, 2 vines. They're getting along. I'm seeing cluster activity on every single vine I've looked at so far. That's good. Really nice, really nice. Moving on up, we have a Chardonnay. Clusters here. It's good growth overall after all that pruning. I guess he did a good job at it. What was this one again? This is the Cab Sauv. This one had all the grapes eaten by the birds last year, which was rather unfortunate. Over here we have, alright, here we have Barbera. This one actually is looking really good. Several clusters. Means the development's good. That's what we're seeing for. It's just leaf growth, development, and potential fruit. Pinot Noir, which was going to produce a lot last year, but then they all got eaten by birds also. Over here we have Symphony, which is a white grape. And wow, hey, look at that. Usually when these ones produce, the grapes don't grow too big. They're all split apart. So it's good to see several clusters forming on this one, especially after last year's miserable harvest. This one's my oldest vine, by the way. Here's a sweet white. Here are my newer vines. This one is a Autumn Royal, which is table grape. I'm not expecting to see any clusters form on this one, but you never know. Sometimes you get lucky. What's this one? Mission, also table grape, kind of would produce a bigger berry from what I read up. Over here is a Palomino. White grape. Yeah, Palomino. Yeah. I'm not looking to get wine from those this year, but who knows. And then we got 2 more. Oh, wait, that's the Palomino. This must be the Sauv Blanc. This was the Sauv Blanc. This is the Palomino. Palomino, I think, actually produced some grapes last year. Oh no, this one produced grapes last year. I know that for a fact. This one's growing up nice. So if you remember back in January when we were pruning these vines, we did take cuttings of the grapes. So after 3 months, here are the results. Cabernet Sauvignon. It's alive. And a Chardonnay here. It's alive. It works.
Finally, for my new additions to the vineyard, I picked up 3 new vines, 2 Cabernet Sauvignon, and this one varietal called Zweigelt. I do not know much about this varietal, but from what I can tell, this red grape is from Austria, and it is the most commonly grown varietal in the country. I will be planting these new grapes in containers sometime soon.
So which of these vines do I expect to do the best this year? Either the Syrah will make a comeback, the Symphony definitely is looking good this year, Pinot Noir can make a comeback this year, these 2 Zinfandels over there, that direction, they could make a comeback. Could be any of them. I won't know until the season's over though. A wise lesson is don't be counting your clusters until you pick them. Or don't count your money while it's still on the table.